G'day traders, Mindset Reset. Today we're talking about timings, levels, and behavior of price. Free Cash Friday. Friday is the closing range of the week, and we're only ever looking for two types of trades if a best trade setup shows up, and that is the parabolic reversal trade or the parabolic trend trade. Non-farm payrolls on the schedule, Canada unemployment. We had Canadian dollar up high of the month after a day 3 breakout on Wednesday, which started our day count, day 1, day 2, day 3, and that was a parabolic reversal, high of the month, second hour, after 3 pushes and after non-farm payrolls for an easy collapse back into the breakout from Monday's opening range. Timings, levels, behavior of price. A repeating question that I keep getting from probably new traders that have come to the channel is that, can you go over how you monitor your charts on the hourly chart? It's not about monitoring the hourly charts. It's about two things to understand. When a new hour starts, that is when, if there's a best trade setup, that we may now be getting the beginning of a move. So obviously the index is 930, but 9 o'clock can often set that up, a higher high or a lower low for a pump and dump or a dump and pump setup. But that 930 New York open is when we'll see that explosive volume come into the market. On currencies, that second hour. So non-farm payrolls, major red news, that first hour, automatically the end of the week on a Friday. Very unlikely we'll see an explosive first bounce type of trade on payrolls. If you go back and study this, go back and look at all the non-farm payrolls, it's typically not really what we would look for. It can happen, but more importantly, this is the first week of a new month. We have the high and the low of the month in place. And we have a couple different opportunities. The Japanese yen crosses had broken down in the London session and put in peak formation low at the end of the 3-hour window. That is a dead giveaway almost for the low-hanging fruit setup after non-farm payrolls. So we like to see that volatility be digested by the market. And if you put your hourly charts up, there's two things to understand. When that market is going to, if it's going to continue or reverse a move, that new hour can be the new timing window change for that to happen. And number two, when we have a larger big picture template, day 1, day 2, day 3, I repeat this over and over again, and we have other time frame traders potentially driving that move. So if there's a best trade setup and we have an opportunity to position ourselves on a smaller time frame, it coincides with that larger time frame driving that move, which is why we see those parabolic explosive trades. So traders see the 5-minute setups, the 1-minute charts, and they go, oh, it's too risky, or it's, you don't really understand what's happening here. And we're talking about the larger 3-day template. So if we have a parabolic reversal trade on a Friday at the low of the week, 4-hour traders, daily traders, hourly, they're all behind that move once that explosive catalyst is in place. So we see that reversal on gold today, first hour. The same process applies that we have talked about in that video about gold, putting in a first hour high or low. They worked it back down into the low. It's fantastic for traders who were short on Free Cash Thursday, who took a lot of money off the table on gold. Did you see how instantly on payrolls they spiked up and got everybody? That's called lifting the offers. They pull everything out of the market. There's no offers in place, and that market just, bang, goes straight through to hit the next offer that's in there, which is typically going to be the retail guy who's holding on for a bigger move, who didn't take the money off the table, the greedy bastard. So when we see those parabolic setups on a day 3, session 3 opportunity, other time frames are driving those moves. Now there can still be, as we saw in the indexes, 100 pip collapse after non-farm payrolls. That peak formation took out the high of the day, reversed, brought it down through the low of the day for the pump and dump into the New York open, getting traders shorting it down into the low of the week for the explosive reversal back through the high of the day. So fantastic opportunities. Timings, levels, behavior of price. It's always about aligning ourselves with the bigger picture setup. And sometimes we're gonna be seeing a move that's a session scalp because it's building maybe into another session for the bigger move. as we saw on some of the pairs into the Asian session, and then London today on the yen crosses. Pound Aussie, high of the month. Reversal, second hour, right back through the low of the session. 75 pips, I believe. I haven't gone back and looked. Oil, a beautiful day 3. Stop hunt at 9 o'clock, breaks out of the low of the day. We had higher highs, day 1, day 2, day 3. 9:30, parabolic explosive reversal after the stop hunt, triggering shorts into the market for the explosive move back through the high of the week, the high of the month. Textbook opportunities today on Free Cash Friday. Some traders maybe didn't feel comfortable trading, and again, I step back when it's payrolls like that and we see that kind of volatility and no real concrete setup until after the news. Sit and wait, watch and wait. Let them show their hand, and then wait till there's easy money laying over in the corner. Now, it's been a busy week. There's been a lot of fantastic trades. Nail and bail was my strategy today. I just felt that lock and load S&P was a collapse right down through the low of the day, and that was easy money before the New York Open. And so time to get on with my day. Free Cash Friday. We have had an absolutely textbook perfect trading week. And I will repeat this. If you master the setups, you master yourself, understand the timings, the rotation of time, other time frame traders, master executing in live time, being patient, willing to step back and allow the bigger opportunity to unfold, looking at the big picture, knowing where real money is made, when they're going to see those big drives, knowing when to nail and bail, knowing when to load the boat and hold. We have had a fantastic week, traders, and again, congratulations to the traders. Gold for some traders today. I just didn't feel like trading gold today. Congratulations, an explosive parabolic reversal back through the high of Thursday. An absolutely beautiful trade. And other traders hitting gold, hitting oil, currencies. It was a fantastic week. Congratulations. Enjoy your weekend. Go back and review the opportunities that were there this week, and then understand where you could have sized into certain trades, which ones were the big movers for the week, which ones are really clean textbook opportunities, timings, levels, behavior of price. Keep it simple, traders. Keep it going and keep it growing. This is a winnable game, and nothing's going to change next week. Everything is going to be the same. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Session 1, session 2, session 3. Free cash, free cash, free cash. Master your craft, master yourself, and master the markets. Have a great weekend, traders, and may the markets go with you.